here's the quizzes. So we'll start off with quizzes. So this is the quizzes you should have taken last class. You guys want to come up with a name. I'm going to call on someone random to come up with our name. Okay. So let's have, I'm going to call us Mr. 1E8. And let's start. Okay, we're going to take it together. Hopefully everyone can see the questions. How do most young plants and parent plants look alike? How do most young plants and parent plants look alike? So let's see who got the, I'm going to call on someone random for this one. This one's pretty easy. Let's have Alan. Alan, do you know the answer? Which one do you want to select, Alan? Exactly alike, similar, or very different?
Very different.
Very different?
No. Similar.
Okay, let's see if you're right. Good job, Alan. Let's see. It is correct. Good job, Alan. So let's have someone read the question. Let's have Bon. Can you read the question? Is this Bon?
After
This
young plant and its parent plant. What pattern do you see? Choose the correct answer.
Thank you. Let's circle the correct answer. So their leaves are black, purple and black. The young plant has more leaves than the parent plant. Their leaves are the same shape. We can select more than one. So circle the answers you think are correct. So you guys can draw in 3, 2, 1, go. Circle the correct answer. There's more than one. You guys can circle now. And Joanna, good job. Fong Vi, good job. Baha, good job. Bon, great job. It looks like most of you chose A and C, the first one and the third one. Good job, everyone. Let's select those and see if you guys got it correct. Good job, everyone. The leaves were purple and black, and the leaves had the same shape. Okay, let's have someone new. I'm trying to call on some new people. Let's have Sarah. Sarah, can you read the question for everyone? Yeah. Kate sees a young plant in a park. She
wants to find an
adult
is the sum key of plant ones. What
good.
Kate look for?
Okay, so what should Kate look for? She wants to find the parent plant. She wants to find that parent plant. What should she look for? Everyone can circle. I would like everyone to circle the correct answer in 3, 2, 1, go. The first one is a plant with leaves that are like the young plant leaves, a plant that's the same size, and C is a plant with the same number of leaves. Okay, Ming Bing, good job. 2, good job. Fuang Vi, good job. Bao Ha, great job. Okay. You guys all look like you're choosing the first option. So let me select the first option. Yeah, the leaves would look the same. The young plant and the adult plant would have the same looking leaves or the same shaped leaves. Very good. Which plant, I'll read this one for you guys. Which plant is the parent of each young plant? Match the young plant to its parent. This one's a little bit hard to look at, but we have picture A and picture B and picture C and picture D. Okay, or we have A and D and C and B. So we're matching them together. So if we look at the picture, I don't know, let me see if I can make the picture bigger. There you go. We have A and B. So our first option is C and D, A and B, and C and D. So let's see if those are right. A and B and C and D. So let me match those. Boom, A and B and C and D. Is this correct? Does this look correct? Did Mr. Connor match them correct? Yes or no? Is this correct? I matched them. Is this correct? Yes or no? I'm going to ask everyone to unmute and tell me if I got it correct. Yes or no?
No.
No. No. No. No.
No. You guys said I got it wrong. Okay, let's look at the other option. We have A and D and picture C and B. So A and D and C and B. Did I get this one correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? 3, 2, 1. Did Mr. Connor get it correct?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay. So let me select it. Okay, we got it correct. That one you just had to take your time. That one you had to take your time to check. Sometimes you have to take your time to get the answer correct. Ming Bing, can you read this question to everyone? Ming Bing?
Which statements are true about the tulips? Choose all correct answer.
Okay, which statements are true about the tulips? Choose all the correct answers. Okay. All tulips are red. Tulip flowers can be different colors, or some tulips are taller than others. So let's choose the correct answers. For this one, we'll just have you guys circle again. Circle the two. There's actually 2 correct answers. So try your best. In 3, 2, 1, go. Sarah, great job. And Joanna, very good job. Bao Ha, good job. Ming Bing, good job. And Joanna, good job. Okay, you guys mainly chose B and C, or numbers 2 and 3. So let me select them real quick. Now let's talk about the answers. So guys, you got to remember the picture from our book. We saw tulips, but they were all different colors. Remember, we saw red ones, yellow ones, white ones, blue ones, purple. Remember, you guys all told me all the colors. So tulips can come in multiple colors. So this one is not correct. So we do not want to check it. We know tulips can be different colors from class because you saw the picture of them in class. And remember, some tulips are taller than others. Think about people. Think about humans. Are some humans smaller or taller and shorter than each other? Yes. Some humans are tall, some humans are short, and all in between. Flowers and plants are the same. Some trees are really tall, while some trees of the same kind can be shorter. So let's select these answers. Okay, so that was your quiz. Very good job, guys. Now this is our new lesson. We're gonna start a brand new lesson today. How do animals look like their parents? How do animals look like their parents? Okay. How do animals look like their parents? Now let's look at this koala. What is something that is the same between these animals? Let's have, who hasn't? Anne, what is something you noticed that, what's the same between these animals?
The fur of the koala is same color.
Very good. They have the same color fur. Good job. What else is the same? Who can else tell me what's the same? Let's have Min Kwang. What else is the same?
I don't know.
So their fur is the same? What else do you see that is the same? Look at them. Look at the picture. Just anything. Look at their body parts. Remember, look at their body parts. Which body parts are the same?
The eyes.
The eyes. Very good. They have the same color eyes. Let's have a few more people. Okay, Bao Ha, what else?
They have the same ear.
The same ears. And let's have Fong Vi. What is something that is different? Fong Vi, what's something that is different?
The baby koala is smaller than the mom koala.
Very good. One is smaller than the other, and you said the baby is smaller. Why would the offspring be smaller? You can tell me why the offspring is smaller. Sam?
Because they're smaller.
Yeah, when's it going to get bigger? When is it going to get bigger? Is it going to get any bigger, or is it going to stay the same size?
No.
Okay, what's it going to do? Is it going to get smaller or bigger?
Bigger.
Yeah, it's going to get bigger. It's going to get bigger. It's going to get old. Remember, it has to get older. And as it gets older, it will get bigger. So in most animals, they start off small. The babies or offspring start off small, and they will get bigger as the older they get. They will get bigger the older they get. So if you see two animals of the same kind, but one is much, much smaller, it's probably an offspring, or it's probably the young. It's probably the young. And its parents are probably close. Its parents are probably close. So let's read. Who can read the first bubble for me? Can someone read the first bubble for me? Min Chao, can you read it for me? Can I have Tu Zuan? There you go.
Ở dạng
Koala.
koala looks like its parents.
Very good. What animal do you think this is then? If they're talking about a koala, what animal do you think this is?
A koala.
Yeah, very good. I know it's a hard word. And can you read the rest for me? By the end.
By the end of this lesson, I will be able to tell how animals of the same kind can be alike and different.
Thank you. That was great reading. Great reading. Nice and clear. That was nice and clear. Yeah, now we will know what we're going to be able to do by the end of this lesson. And this is your homework. And we're going to do a little activity together so you guys know exactly how to do your homework. So let me share this. There you guys go. You guys should all be able to see the PowerPoint. And remember, we're learning how do animals look like their parents. We started off with the quiz. We talked about the koala. This is our homework example. This will be our homework example. What you're going to have to do for your homework, is you can choose any animal you want. You can choose any animal you want. And you're going to have to do a little bit of research if you do not know what they look like. You're going to have to go to Google and type in the animal you want to do. And you should type in the animal and then type in young and adult. Okay, so you can see pictures of it. But you guys can choose any animal you want. What animal did I choose? What animal did I choose? Anyone that knows this animal, raise your hand. What animal is this? Raise your hand. Okay, only one person raised their hand. Okay, Tu Zuan, what animal is this?
It's an ostrich.
That's close. It is a bird, but it's not an ostrich. Okay, guys, so this is a flamingo. This is a flamingo. Okay, so what you would do is first you want to write your animal's name. So you can do this on any sheet of paper. Any sheet of paper, you're going to write your animal's name. Let me get a text box here. And you're going to type in the name of your animal. I chose a flamingo. I chose a flamingo. And then all you have to write is the similarities and the differences. Remember, similarities means the same and differences mean something that is different. Okay? So what is one? We'll do a few together, but what is one similarity? What is one similarity? Let's have someone give me a similarity. Sue, what is one similarity between these pictures? Just look at both pictures. They have something that's the same. What's something that's the same?
They have 2 feet.
Yeah, very good. I'm just going to call it they have, or we can just call it, let's do large feet. Okay, large feet. The feet are large. Okay, we can't see the adults, but if we looked at another adult picture, the feet are large. I like that one. You guys could have also said maybe long legs, and maybe they both have beaks. They both have big, and you could just write down similarities, and you just keep on giving different examples, okay? I would like you guys to come up with about 2 to 3 examples, 2 to 3 examples. So let's have Min Kwang. What is a difference?
The color of the fur.
Very good job. Yes, the color is different. What else? I'm going to get one more from you guys, and then you guys should have a pretty good example of what you need to do for your homework. Okay? How about Ann Joanna? I haven't heard from you since the beginning of class. Do you know anything else that is different, Ann Joanna?
The size are different.
Yeah. Which one is smaller? Is it the parent or is it the offspring?
Offspring.
Yeah, the offspring is smaller. Great job, Ann Joanna. So, different size, or you guys could even type it, you could also write offspring is smaller. You can write it any way you want. Offspring is smaller, or you could write adult is larger. There's tons of different ways you can write this, okay? But this is your homework. You have to choose any animal you want. Choose any animal you want. I would like you guys to draw me a picture of the offspring and the parent, okay? The young and the parent, and then give me 2 to 3 similarities and 2 to 3 differences, just like you see on your screen. So this is an example. So let me show you a finished example, and then we will be done for today. So this is my example of your homework. I drew a baby flamingo, an adult flamingo, and then I gave some similarities and differences. Okay, so this is the example I made. This is what your homework should look like. You guys have Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night to get this done. So I expect everyone's drawings to be colored and beautiful. And then give me a list of the similarities and differences. But that is it for today, guys. I'm going to stop the share. Goodbye, everyone. You guys can all unmute. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
It's the corner.